Bonjour. So students, as I told you that I will be explaining few questions of this lesson in the video. Okay. So I have taken question 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 and 10th question. Okay. So I'm just quickly telling you what you have to do in these questions. These are very easy and objective type of questions. Okay. Just have a look. The first one, complete avec la adjective possessive. So if you already remember that we have done the adjective possessive so many times. What are they? They are moma me, sonsa se, tonta te. Okay. Then we have notre, no, votre, vo, leur. Okay. So according to that, you have to fill up these blanks. So the first one, le corbeau ouvre son bec. Okay. The thing is, I told you always that it is not necessary to understand the whole sentence. Just try to find out the answer. Okay, with some tips. So the first tip is you have to always look at the next word of the blank. Okay, find out its gender and the thing that is associated with that object. For example, bec is associated with le corbeau. Le means masculine singular. So masculine singular, third person, it will be ill person, and bec is चोंच. ठीक है, चोंच को बोलते हैं, इट इज मैस्कुलिन, सो इट इज सॉ. देन les étudiants plural. Okay, plural ill form. Travail work singular, so leur. Grand parents. Okay, grand parents किसके? It can be anyone, it can be mine, it can be yours, it can be his, hers or their. Okay, so I have written leur. Abid quote the Zur. Next one is Paul va au cinema avec sa petite amie. Okay, sa petite amie. Next one is no montons sont dans notre amour. Okay, so monto, we again you can write anything, but yes, and not anything because notre has given here, so you have to write down related to these two words. Okay. Now fifth one is complete avec l'adjective demonstrative. What are the demonstrative adjectives? Sir, say, set. Okay, so set we use before masculine and set we use before masculine again. Okay, then masculine but starting from a vowel. Okay, and that is set we use désolé, set we use before the feminine words but starting from a vowel. Okay, then set histoire, say robe. This no, set CETTE, that is related to feminine. Okay, and CET related to masculine noun that is starting from a vowel, and sir for normal masculine singular noun, say for feminine plural. Okay, so like that you have to fill up this. Then quel, complete avec l'adjective interrogative. Okay, so quel, QUEL, QUELLE, QUEES and QUELS. So this we have already done. Okay, in this chapter only. So just look at the table once again. Which one we have done this in page number, I think I'm just telling you. Yes, here in page number 89 you will get it. So do it once again, and this is your practice, so I'm not going in a deep. Okay, then complete on utilize o. This the rules you have know that a we use before city's name, o we use before the country's name starting from a vowel. No, that is feminine. O we use masculine country's name, and o we use for plural countries name. Okay, so this you have to do. Then trouver les questions, you have to frame the question. So there are few sentences written, answers written, you have to frame the sentences, questions. Oui, c'est une belle maison, so the question will be est-ce que c'est une belle maison? Nicole est dans sa chambre. Où est Nicole? Where is Nicole? Nous partons à 11h, we leave at 11 o'clock. À quelle heure partez-vous? So like that you have to frame the sentences or the questions. Okay, next one is 10th one, meteo plural. These type of questions we have done so many times, so I told you that you have to convert the sentences into plural. So convert all the words in plural. So voilà means there is or there are. Une belle femme et son enfant. So it will be voilà des belles femmes et ses enfants. Okay, it will be like that. In the same manner, the other sentences will be converted into plural. Okay, so I will be sharing the pages in your WhatsApp group, so you will be easily understand. Okay, try to do it by yourself. Rest of the things we will finish in the class. Merci.